For making boring videos, did you know that with overlay, you can turn your edits from basics to pro? I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Let's dive in. Right, so I start by launching my CapCut app. Click on the CapCut app. It takes me to the CapCut interface. So I want to select a video which I want to use for the illustration. So I'll just click on new project. That takes me to my gallery, video gallery. So I'll just tap on a video and click add. Okay, so I want to play this video so that I want to add an overlay at a particular point. I want something to pop up at a particular point. So let me just play the video. The content creator. There are basic apps you need to know how to use very well so as to take your content to the next level. Apps like this, CapCut. I want the CapCut image to pop up at the point I said CapCut. All right, so before then, let me add another video. All right, so let me just add this video. Okay, so as I said, I want the CapCut image, which I'm using as my overlay, to pop up at the points I said CapCut. So I'll just tap on overlay. I'll click on add overlay. Takes me back to my gallery. I'll go to the photo section and tap on the CapCut image. Click add and it appears on my screen. Right, so let me play the video because I want it to pop exactly where I said CapCut. All right, so since I have this now, CapCut, so let me just bring it a bit forward. All right, so I have to resize this image now. So I'll just tap on it to highlight. I use my fingers to pinch and zoom in. Then I'll take it, let's say, above my finger. Right, so let me play and see if it pops up exactly where I wanted it to. CapCut. All right. Let me play it once again. Cut. Once again. Yes. CapCut. All right. So I want to add an effect to this my overlay. Now I want to add an effect. I want to add a bounce effect to it. So it being still selected, I would just go to my menu. I'll click on effect. I'll click on style. That takes me to the sub menu. Now, still under the sub menu panel, I'll scroll to motion. I'll click on motion. I'm actually looking for an effect called camera shake. So I'll just scroll down and I have here camera shake. So I'll just pick one. Cut. All right. CapCut is a video. All right, let's see how it is. Authenticate it and let me play. CapCut. All right, that's what I want. Right, so to the second part of the video now, let me play the second part down because I still need to add overlays at some point. I want to add text. I want to use text as an overlay. So CapCut is a video editing app which has both mobile. But before then, I want to adjust my overlay to a certain point so that my screen would not just stay blank. So I'll just drag the handle. See, it's in being highlighted. I'll just drag the handle down. All right, so let me see. Effect filters and trans. All right, so because I want to add an overlay, the place I mentioned effect filters and transitions, I want to add text. I want to add text as an overlay. So I don't want the CapCut image to get to that point. So I'll just drag it back a bit. Let me play. The various effect filters and. All right. So from the point I said filters and transitions. Filters and transition. Effect filters. All right, from the point I said effect filters and transition, I want to add a text. I want a text to pop up effects, another text filters, another text transitions. All right, so I'll still have to drag this a bit backward. Okay, so now I go to, let me play to that point. Effect filter. All right, from the point I said effect, so I'll go to my text menu. I'll click on add text. So I have my text box. So I will type effect. I'll type effects. All right, then I will select a bold font. So I'll just go under bold, right? I will just select elegant. I think that's fine. So I'll now go to the style menu. I want to style it. So let me just select this one that has a yellow background. I think it's fine. So you have option of increasing the size, but I don't want that. So I would rather keep it this way. So I will just drag it down to the base of the video. Okay. So also I want to add an animation to it. I want it to behave in a certain way when it's coming in. So I'll just go to animation part, my in animation now. Let's slide right. Right. So I want it to be faster so I can decrease this. All right. I think that's fine. If I decrease a bit, let me see. All right. So that's okay. I'll click OK. So if I play, let me see how it looks like. Effects, filters, and transition. Okay, so right, so I need to really decrease the size. I mean, adjust the size. So I'll just click on it and I'll hold the handle and drag it backward. All right, reposition it. Let me play. Effects, filters. All right, so I think that's what I want. I still need to. Okay, that's fine. So I want, I said effects, filters, and transitions. Okay, so I really want to. I think I really need to adjust. Let me just adjust this again. Let me just drag it back. Okay, let me see play and see. Effects, filters, and trans. Oh, I won't do that. Various effects, filters, and transit. All right, so I need to duplicate this text so that I can undo that. Effects, filters, and I need to duplicate this text. All right, so that I can edit it to filters and also to transition. So it's being still highlighted. I'll just scroll down to duplicate and duplicate it. Then I'll double tap on the one I duplicated and edit it to, I'll write filters, okay. All right, so I have to reposition it. So I'll just hold it down to reposition and drag it back. So let me see if I play. Effects, filters, and transitions. All right, that's fine. So I will do the same to get transition. So I'll just bring my playhead to a certain point and then duplicate the one for filter. All right, so I'll just hold it and drag it out, double tap on it, then transitions. All right, transitions. Okay, so let's see how it works. Let's see. Effects, filters, and transitions. All right, I think that's fine, but I think I need to still move it closer a bit. Okay, so let me play. Effects, filters, and transitions. All right, that's fine. So I want to add sound to these my overlays now. So all I need to do is go to audio, sound. That takes me to the sound gallery. So I think I will select swatch. All right, I'll pick this one. All right, I'll add. Now let me hear it sounds. The various effects, filters, and transitions. Okay, I want to sync it with the text. I want it to come out, sound the same time the text flies in. So I think I need to drag it forward a bit. Let me play. Various effects, filters, and transitions. All right. So I need to duplicate it also, because I have to, so that it will sound when filter and transition also comes out. So I'll duplicate it. I can as well drag it down and place it under the first one. So let me play and see. Effects, filters, and transition. All right, I'll do the same for transition. I'll just duplicate it. All right, and drag it down. Drag it under this. So let me play. Various effects, filters, and transitions. All right, I think that's fine. So if I play my video from the beginning, let's see how it sounds. The content creator. There are basic apps you need to know how to use very well so as to take your content to the next level. Apps like this, CapCut. CapCut is a video editing app which has both mobile and desktop versions. It allows users to create and edit videos with various effects, filters, and transitions. All right, so that's fine. So I mean that is exactly how you could add overlay. You can add there, so you can, that's even if you want to add other ones, but I advise you don't add too much so that you don't mess your project up. We can also If you still need to buttress some points, you can also add from where I said video editing. You can also bring in a video editing icon. So something like CapCut is a video editing app. All right, so the point I said video editing app, right? I need to bring in a video editing icon. Tap on overlay, add overlay. It takes me to my gallery, so I'll just pick this and add. Okay, so I need to resize it, so I'll just, it being still highlighted, I'll just pinch it down. I want it to be this way. Okay, I want it to be this way. So let me play and see whether it pops up this at the point I said video editing. CapCut is a video editing app. No, I think I need to take it a bit forward by dragging it. The video editing app. CapCut is a video editing app. No, I think it came too early, so I'll highlight, take it back a little. Video editing app, which is a video editing app. All right, so I need to resize. I don't want it to stay longer, so I'll just hold on to it and drag down. Oh, sorry. Tap on it and drag the handle down. So let's play and see. This is a video editing app, all right, which has both mobile. All right, so I want to also add an effect to the video editing icon. So I'll just tap on it, right? Go to effect. Go to effect, right? Then style, right? Then I'll still go back to motion. I still need that. I still like that camera shake. I'll just click on motion and look for camera shake, right? So probably I'll select this. Which has both. All right. So let me play now and see. Yes, CapCut. CapCut is a video editing app which has both mobile and desktop versions. It allows users to create and edit videos with various effects, filters, and transitions. It's commonly used in creating social media content, especially short form videos. All right. So that's it. We can also use an image as our primary background and we use a video as our overlay. So all we need to do is to bring in the image we want to use as our primary background by tapping on this plus sign. That takes me to my image gallery. So let's say I'll just pick this and click on add, right? So I have this image now, right, as my primary background. So I want to use a video as an overlay. So the same method, I'll just go to overlay, add overlay. I'll go to my video section and probably I'll pick this and click on add, right? So let's see. So now that I have this video now, it depends. You can decide to, resize it like this and probably keep it at one side of the screen. Let me reduce the volume so that it doesn't interfere. So I'll just, as I highlighted, I'll go to volume. I'll drag the volume down. Okay. So you can keep it this way. I can increase the duration of the image I'm using. Okay. So if I play, can have something like this, right? Or you can decide to take out the background of your overlay, right? So I'll tap on the overlay, right? Let me increase it. So I'll just go to remove BG to remove the background. So I'll just click on remove BG. All right, then auto removal since I'm on the paid plan. So I think that takes out the background. Okay, so I can decide to add a stroke to the image I removed the background. So I'll just tap on stroke, right? I can select this and I can change the color to that. I can decrease the size of the stroke, something like that. If you want to, okay, so click this, then I can, all right, so I can resize it, resize my video, bring it to the base like this. So if I play, I have this, something of this nature. You can, this is another way you want to use a video as an overlay. This is another way. Now I can shift my video this way, and I have this. So at the background, I have the image as a primary background, then the video as an overlay, right? So I can even decide to let me reduce the length of the image. I will just tap on the angle. I will just tap on it, drag the handle backward because I want to bring another image. So I think so I'll just tap on add, go to photo sections, probably another image, and so if I play, see, so I have image as my primary background, then the video as I can adjust it, so something like this. I'll just highlight it, hold the handle, and drag it backward to the very end. So I have this. So finally, we can actually use a video as our primary background and also another video as an overlay. So we add a new project. That takes me to my gallery. I'll just select the video I want to use as a primary background. All right, so I'll add this. Okay. Then I also want to select the video I want to use as my overlay. So I'll just tap on overlay, add video. I can, let's say, I use this and click on add. All right, so I want to reduce the volume of my overlay, so I'll just tap on it and take it down. All right, so we somehow, as I said before, we can leave it this as you can choose to pinch it and resize it and position it at one side of the screen this way, right? So that it plays alongside your video while you're making the illustration, right? Or you can decide to remove the background as I did earlier. So I will just zoom out, okay? I go to my menu and select remove BG, all right? So auto removal, right? So it's as if it's contrasting with my background. So I need to add a stroke for it to be a bit visible. So let me say I'll just pick the first one, reduce the size of the overlay, or sorry, of the stroke, so I can pick a color. I think I still have to go with this yellow. All right, so authenticate it, and okay, so I want to reduce the volume of my primary video. So I'll just go to volume, take it down a bit, or even take it down. All right, so as it is now, you can now see that I have a video as an overlay and another video as a primary background. So this is another way of making an overlay using a video as a primary background and also another video as an overlay. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Kindly hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.